Thinking about getting started with investing, but not sure where to begin? Spaceship is an app that makes it easy, and in just a few simple steps you can have your account up and running. I'll walk you through the entire process. First, you'll need to download the Spaceship app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed it, open the app and you'll be prompted to create your account. You'll need to enter some basic personal information. This includes your full name, mobile number, date of birth, and email address. You'll also be asked to create a secure password. Remember to use a strong one, at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've filled in your details, Spaceship will send a verification link to your email. You'll need to open that email and click on the link to confirm your account. This is a crucial step to make sure your information is secure. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to provide some additional details to complete your profile. This is part of the identity verification process, which is a standard requirement for all financial services. You'll need to provide your residential address and details about your tax residency. This is all to comply with regulations and keep your account safe. Next, you'll be prompted to link your bank account. This is how you'll add and withdraw funds from your Spaceship account. You can usually do this by logging into your bank through the app or by manually entering your BSB and account number. Spaceship uses secure methods, like Pay-to or direct debit, to make sure this process is safe and seamless. After linking your bank account, you'll be ready to make your first investment. Spaceship has a few different options, including managed funds and superannuation. You can explore the options right in the app and choose the one that's right for you. You can start with a small amount or set up a regular investment plan, like weekly or monthly contributions, to automate your savings and investing. And just like that, you've opened your Spaceship account. The whole process is designed to be quick and straightforward, so you can get started with investing without any hassle. Now you can explore the different investment options, track your progress, and watch your money grow over time.